Hey guys, I've done it again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lexus, and this is my channel where I have a little bit of everything from lifestyle to real estate life now, and beauty, skincare, all those great things. So today we're doing a planner video in September. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please comment and subscribe. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I ended up going through a whole planner funk once again, and I was just like, there has to be something out there that works better for me. I still was not completely convinced that I wanted to go back to Day Designer. I've had a very long-term relationship with Day Designer over the years, and that has always been my go-to planner because I love their daily system. And I just always love the new covers and setting up the goal pages, but I was like, it's time to venture out, I think, and try something new. Notice that some of my teammates at the brokerage office I'm now with, they all had these really cool, cute, customized looking notebooks, and some of them had their names, some of them just had like Realtor and then their name or something like that, and I was just like, I had to ask. I was like, I'm very curious, like what type of planners or notebooks are you guys using, because they look really nice. And all told me it was this company called Plum Paper. So they strongly recommended this company to me. I went on the website and just shopped and browsed around for a bit and got familiar with them, and I just was on board. I was like, oh, I need to switch today. And so that's pretty much what I ended up doing. So I went the full customization route on their website. They have so many layouts, planner sizes, planner formats to choose from, which I love, because if you are not a very, if you're pretty indecisive when it comes to planners and what you like, how you like your setup to be, Plum Paper is a great option to go with. And if you don't want a super fully customized planner, you have the option to go with one that's already made and designed, and you just pick your cover and order it, and that's it. It's good to go. But me, I wanted to go the fully customized route, and I'm so happy I did, because this is the layout that the ladies on my team were using, and I really, really enjoyed it. So let me introduce you to my new baby. I decided to go the whole 12-month route. And I love with the fully customized planner option, you can choose what month you want the planner to start in. I did not want to wait or hesitate, so I requested that my planner starts in the month of September, which is right now. I know we're halfway through September. I did just get my planner in the mail finally a few days ago, and I did priority shipping because I was that impatient. I was very anxious to get it. But it did take a little bit of time because they do print these handmade. They are put together by hand from what I read on the website, and they have a team that reviews every step of the process to make sure everything is the right quality, exactly what you ordered, and made sure it's good enough to ship out to you. So this is my baby that I ended up going with. This is the 8.5 by 11 inch Me planner format. I did customize my cover and personalize it to put the 2024-2025 year, and then my favorite Bible verse is what I put on the cover. I chose the option to have my initials, I think, put on it, like monogrammed on the front. Then I switched it to just abbreviate Lex, short for Lexus, because I do get called Lex a lot if I'm not called by my full name. And then I was like, no, let's switch it up and just put my go-to Bible verse, you know, that's reflective of my life and just kind of where I am. So it turned out perfect. I love the cover. I love the colors. There's still some purple in there for me, and it just works great. As out of all the sizes, there's 3 different size options to choose from. I like large planners personally. The 7 by 9 I thought about getting at first, but I was like, I'm so used to that already. With Day Designer, that was around the dimensions of their planner. I think a little bit shorter. I think theirs might be around a 6 by 8, but somewhere in that range. So I was very familiar, and I was like, let's try something different. Then I chose the fully custom route. You do get these initial calendar overview pages like this, and then you go straight into the section where you can fill out special dates that go from January all the way through December. So they have these pages in here like so, and then your next set of pages is going to be your ideas, your plans, and your goals. Now you get 12 of these rectangular boxes, and they're all blank, so you can adjust and customize these pages to your liking. I have not filled these out yet, but I am going to do it based on how my planner is set up for the year. So since my planner starts in September, it is a 12-month, so it goes through August of next year. I might film that in a separate video so that this isn't too long. And then we go straight into the months. Now you can choose the color palette you want for your monthly tabs. I chose to do the one that's more softer toned and like almost pastel-like. The other one is very more bold and brighter with the colors. I didn't want that. And then the other option was to just leave them completely neutral. I think it had like some black and white and beige, and I wasn't really feeling that vibe either. So I think this worked out perfectly. Kind of started filling this out a little bit. Every month gets this page right here. So it's a page that gives you birthdays, events, and things to remember. And then these 3 circles here are basically like your priorities for the month. So I haven't filled this out yet for September because like I said, just got this a few days ago. I'm still getting familiar and thinking about how I really want to set this up. But on the next page, I have a blank lined sheet of paper. So I started filling out my color code system right here that I'm going to use for every month going forward, you know, based on how I like to color code and planner. So I have like my AKA color, a color for like personal, a color for bills, a color for health, whether that's like doctor's appointments or whatever, lab work, and then a color for work, which is now real estate for me. So with the monthly spread, again, I'm still filling it out. We're halfway through September now, but you know, I have only marked like the days that I have something for AKA, so I have that marked on here. I also chose to have all the standard US holidays put into my planner. You can choose that as an option when you are going the full customization route with their planners, so I love that. If you want to put the UK holidays, you can, and there were some other options to choose from. But this planner layout is considered a vertical option, just because of how you fill it out and use it. So you get 7 categories to choose from for your boxes, which I love that. Okay, so I really had to think about long and hard how I wanted my boxes to be filled out. Now you don't have to fill out your categories, and what I mean are these tabs here along the sides. You can leave these blank if you want, but I think it's nice to have some sort of system to keep you organized, so I did fill them out. The categories that I chose, and these are in no like particular order, but I tried to think about it as like a morning, afternoon, and evening type of setup, but some of these kind of don't really coincide with that, if that makes sense. So the first box I have devotional, because I do try to get up and do devotional, read the Bible, you know, get into the word every morning. So that's the first section. My next section is just called health. So again, that is everything relating to doctor's appointments. If I have follow-up appointments, any blood work, lab work stuff I need to get done, all of that is in that category. The next one is appointments. So this can be anything except for health related. So because I already have the health category, so appointments for me is going to be like if I have appointments for clients with my real estate stuff, that's where I'm going to put those. If there's appointments, anything personal, or like if I have like a therapy session with a therapist or something, like I'm going to put that in the appointment section. And then the next section is exactly real estate. So all things real estate. If I have our weekly team meeting is what I'll put in this section. If I have any presentations I need to do, any buyer consultations, those will all go in that section. You know, keeping track of doing my lead calls, my follow-up calls with potential buyers and clients, all that's going to go in that category. The next one is family. So if there's anything family related, like, you know, doing stuff like family game night, or if if we're taking my daughter out, you know, to go hang out and do something, or if we happen to like do a date night or something, I will put that in family category. So I have that in my planner. The next section is self-explanatory. It is sorority, so everything AKA related will go in that section of my planner. So chapter meetings, any calls, any events, committee stuff, anything, conferences, all that's going to go in the sorority section. And then my last category I have in the planner is for bills. So anything related to like credit card payments, any like invoices, medical bill balances that are left over from appointments, whatever, all that's going to go in that category. So I have that as well of the month. So I have that already going in my planner and everything. If I do anything additional, like you know, prayer, or there's a book I've started reading about being a prayerful wife and things like that. So I've been reading that book and it has prayers in it. So I might put like what chapter I'm reading or working on for that day or for the week. I have that. And then any journaling, I like to try and journal daily as well. So I have that. I can put all that in the devotional category of my planner. I wanted to show you guys the stickers that I've also ordered from some Etsy shops. Do support your small business owners. A few different shops. This one I ordered from is called Aquarial Designs. She also sent me, I think, a couple of samples and then also a thank you card, which was really sweet and has my name on it. So very nice. Monthly font stickers like this. So it goes from January to December. Got stickers that say meeting and they have like a little timer clock. I thought these would be nice to use in my planner as well. The next set I got are these Zoom stickers. My team does do like Zoom calls for script practice every week. So I thought these would be cute to use in my planner, and quality is really, really nice. There's Eve, basically all throughout the year. So I thought these would be nice to use as well. Doctor appointment stickers, they are all different colors. So I figured I can kind of coincide them with whatever month colors I'm using for that month. I've got a sheet of just some date night stickers as well. These is from the company called Her Southern Life Designs. I noticed she had some really cute chapter meeting stickers. So these are strictly for AKA, but look how nice they are and the quality is beautiful. The shop is called Sticker Packed. Now these are very, very small now that I see them in person. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, but these will actually work when I'm doing my weekly planning spreads. So they're small enough to fit in those boxes for that. Credit card stickers, I thought these will be perfect for like anytime I have a credit card payment coming up or something like that. I also got the ones that are for prescriptions because sometimes I can forget it's time to refill one of my medications that I'm on. Some that might be cool to use for real estate, like once I start getting to the point where I have like some closings coming up or like contracts that need to be sent over or signed or deadline, those will be what these stickers are for. This one I figured would be good to use like for buyer consultation, sticker appointments. These will be good for that. And then finally, the biggest one is Planner Kate. So yeah, I love the quality of Planner Kate's products. She does make some really nice stuff. Some cute little freebie stickers and her card. Oh, it has coupon on it, so that's nice. So I got some stickers from her for like workout. These I did order. So these are really pretty. I loved the font and the little like dumbbell next to the word. So I got these plain like flag stickers to use, and these come in a great array of colors. So these will be good to use like if I have like any important reminders. I also got these work at office stickers I thought would be nice to put in because there are certain days of the week where I personally actually go into my broker's office to get work done for the day versus staying at home and working all week long. My monthly spread setup that I'm going to be using for September. So this is what it looks like. And I just realized it has little things on here that say once upon a time and just one more chapter. So I thought this was cute. It gives me the fall vibes. The colors are beautiful. And then you have the number stickers here. Can't wait I've already been keeping an eye on some spreads I want for October. So now that I'm trying to get back into planner piece, I'm for sure going to be back to filming my monthly plan with me series as well on my channel, because I did love doing that, and I'm hoping this planner is going to be it and keep me contentment for the next 12 months. That is pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.